When you picture a library, what's the first thing that pops into your head? For most of us, it's that sense of calm, right? Those towering shelves, the quiet. But that classic image, well, that's really just the first chapter of a much bigger story. Because while we were all busy, the library started a quiet but absolutely incredible revolution.
You can almost smell it, can't you? That one-of-a-kind scent of paper and history. That solid, satisfying thud of the date stamp on a checkout card. I mean, these are the sensory details we've all grown up with. The things we've loved about libraries for generations.
So, with literally a universe of information sitting in our pockets, it's a totally fair question. Is the library on its way out? Is this beloved institution kind of fading into the background? Well, the answer might surprise you. It's not just no, it's the beginning of a whole new story. That's because libraries aren't just getting by, they are staging a full-blown digital revolution.
And this is the engine behind it all, digital transformation. Now, this is way more than just scanning a few old books. Think of it more like a complete re-engineering of the library's DNA, weaving technology into every single thing that it does.
And this runs deep. We're talking about redesigning entire workflows from the ground up, focusing completely on what you, the user, actually need. It means using data to make better decisions, and it even means changing the entire culture of the organization. It's a true top-to-bottom overhaul.
So what does this actually look like for you and me? Let's take a little trip from the physical shelves to our digital screens.
Just think about this evolution for a second. That old-school reference desk, now it's being supported by AI-powered chatbots that can help you out anytime, day or night. And remember those wooden card catalogs? They've morphed into these super powerful online search portals. All of a sudden, the library isn't limited by its four walls or its opening hours anymore.
And the collection itself has just exploded. Libraries are now managing what they call hybrid collections, so a mix of print and digital. They're busy digitizing priceless rare books, giving us access to huge databases of e-journals, and building out repositories to share brand new research. The shelves are now pretty much infinite.
Okay, this is obviously a monumental amount of work. So why? Why go through all this trouble? Well, it all circles back to the library's fundamental mission.
It really just boils down to this. Every single one of these upgrades is meant to do one of four things: empower you with better tools, supercharge research, make things run more smoothly, and, this is the big one, make sure the library stays essential for years and years to come. And that quote right there just nails it. The library's core mission, to connect people with knowledge, that hasn't changed one bit. What has changed are the tools they can use to get that job done, and those tools have become unbelievably powerful.
But of course, a revolution of this size is never easy. It's not like you can just flip a switch. Libraries are up against some very real, very significant hurdles on this journey.
First up, and it's a big one, is the funding gap. Bringing in new tech, paying for digital database subscriptions, keeping all these systems running, it all costs money. And securing that kind of sustained investment can be a huge challenge for public institutions. Then you have the human element. The job of a librarian is changing so fast. There's this constant, critical need for training to get staff the skills they need to manage all these new digital systems and, just as importantly, help us navigate them.
And finally, there's a massive digital headache: security. When you're managing this much information, you're also navigating a minefield of data privacy rules, super complex copyright laws, and really tricky licensing agreements, all to keep things both accessible and protected.
But here's the amazing thing. Despite all those challenges, this transformation is happening. What's emerging is a library that is more powerful, more dynamic, and more accessible than ever. And this isn't some far-off sci-fi future. This is the library of tomorrow, and it's available today.
So this is what the modern library brings to the table. We're talking 24/7 access from basically anywhere. Smart, AI-powered tools that help you find exactly what you're looking for. Seamless links to online learning platforms, and it's all built to work perfectly on your phone using data to constantly get better and better.
At the end of the day, the library has totally changed its skin. It's no longer just a static building you have to go to. It's become a dynamic, essential service that meets you right where you are, whether that's on your laptop at midnight or on your phone during your morning commute.
So the institution has done its part. It has adapted and evolved for our digital world. The only question left is the personal one. With this universe of knowledge now easier to access than ever before, how are you going to use it?